Today is a very big day project, if you will. The living room is where obviously my office is, and as you can see, the office, it's a dark little corner, and it's quite cozy. Where on the other side is just manic. So that's what we're going to fix today. Been to Ikea and got some bits. Now I've got this idea from a guy that I follow on Instagram. We've been talking back and forth, and he, has an insane record collection. You might have already heard of him. It's Tyler for the record. This dude right here. So he uploaded a video of his front room, and I screenshotted it because it just looked so aesthetically pleasing. I believe his other half does interior design. If not, they need to, because their visionary is incredible. What they've got is similar to how we have a layout, so we're somewhat taking the idea. So this is what we're looking at, right? We have this archive this side, archive this side. So what we're going to do for the plan is take all of it out, completely gone. As you can see, it's cluttered with kids' toys and the bookshelf and the fish, which we need to clean out, and then loads of other stuff. But before that, I've got to fill the wall on the right side because we had a shelf up with no nails. I pulled it off the wall and half of the plaster came off. So we've got to fill it, paint it, and then we can start building. So what we've got is 2 units to go either side, and then 3 shelves each side as well. We're going to today hopefully get the painting and filling done, and then build the units when later on tonight. Hopefully that's the plan, and then on Saturday get the shelves up. So let's start off with getting everything off the walls, and then we'll come back and regroup. The reason I'm out of breath is because I've had to carry them boxes inside and they are heavy. Let's get to it. Right, so as you can see, this is what I'm talking about. And the reason I've made it a bit worse by pushing off all the excess little bits that sort of ping off, so there's no bits if I fill over, it's just going to peel back off. But as you can see, we tried to do our best with painting it. It didn't work because you could still see it. So we're going to fill it all and then repaint this whole section and this whole section in a more of a grey state. So it's more like this kind of light grey, if you will. I need to get fill in because it's currently 1:15. I have to go pick up my daughter at 2:45. I've got to get a move on. Basically what I'm trying to do is just cover up these extra little lips within the paint. So just go over the top of them, but make sure you can't feel the little lip within the filler. Now just for that bit, and then the big bit, let it set, give it a quick sand, and then paint it. Booyah! Okay, current state of this wall here, all filled, just drying off now. And this is why you don't use no nails. What is that? That's a perfect square squiggly line. That would look so good as a frame, but it's not a frame, it's a hole in the wall. Just look, what is that? Now I've got to fill this bit. Well, as you can see, it is all finally done and filled. Also, we've got this side done, that's still drying, it's going to take a while to dry. This one was quite thick because I had to make the hole bigger, obviously with all the excess that was falling off, so hopefully that one dries quick as well, so then we can paint it and get this stuff built. I mean, the living room's an absolute bomb site. Well, it's currently 2:33 and I need to go get ready to go get Harley from school and come back. Hopefully one of these sides might be dry that I can start sanding it and get it painted. I don't know, probably not. Might take over a day or so to actually dry properly. I mean, when I did the back wall, it was the exact same when I had shelves on and it ripped the wall off. That one dried quite quickly, to be fair, so hopefully this does the same because I want to get this done and looking pucker. But anyway, I need to go get Harley and then we can crack on with maybe even just building the units because I can always pull them out again as long as they're in and they're there. That's then out of the way, they're done. So maybe we'll just do that while that dries. Okay, so we're back home. It is currently 3:39. I've got 2 of these to build to put in each corner, so let's get cracking. This is a whole ass essay. Look at the size of that book. There's loads. already sweating. Right, where do we start? Taking my shoes off, that's where I start. Oh, comfort. Absolute glorious. It's like taking off a bra. I don't know what that feels like, but women out there do. Taking off high heels at the end of a night's just blissful. Bit of an issue. They don't tell me what bit's what. I've just got to go off of a photo. What even is that? A bit with loads of holes in? I think I found it. You see, this is where I think B&M kind of win over Ikea with their furniture, because Ikea just throw all the bolts in a bag, where B&M actually label each and every bolt in separate bags. So it makes it a lot quicker and a lot easier. Now I've got to sift through here and find the certain bolts. Thanks, Ikea. I appreciate that. Shalom, Jackie. We're making progress. Absolute buzzing. Okay, so we've got the first one done. I haven't got the backboard on yet because it's a bit late to be banging around with nails, but that's what it looks like inside. As you can see, a couple of shelving units. Very nice. Close the doors. I do need to get the backboard on because that's what keeps it from wobbling. Yeah, so then we're going to have shelf, 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 3 shelves up there. Same with over there. So it should look symmetrical and absolutely beautiful. Not for the big bit. Right, so today I didn't get too much recorded. I knew it was going to be one of those days where I sort of just want to crack on, get it done, get the paint in. I got some B-roll, but it wasn't like, you know, a full-on day vlog. It is currently 5 at night here in the UK, day 2. We've got the painting done. I've slathered on the grey paint, so hopefully tomorrow I can finish the paint off, and then on Saturday get the shelves up, and then everything will be done by Saturday. So it will be around a 4-day project or 3-day project if hopefully all goes well. But I think for the rest of the night I'm just going to get a couple of edits done that I haven't done over the last, 2 days because of doing all of this stuff. And then 6 o'clock I've got a phone call / meeting, if you will, for the energy drink sponsorship partnership. I'm excited for that. And then the rest of it, I'm just going to crack on with some work, get some Moser content edited or even uploaded, because I know they uploaded a video yesterday or today, one of the two. I'm getting confused with my days. But anyway, tomorrow's Friday, then it's Saturday, and then it should, hopefully, fingers crossed, all be done. So I'll end day 2 here, and then tomorrow we'll get into some B-roll again. This might be the last talking clip because obviously Friday I want to crack on and get it done, and then Saturday we'll have the kids here, and it's just going to be hectic to try and record and things like that. Plus, I still get awkward recording in front of my wife, even though she's my wife. She understands what I do as a job. It's still, I'm still at that point. I'm a bit awkward talking in front of people. At the minute I'm on my own, I'm okay doing it. And that's another reason I didn't really talk today, because my wife was here and I didn't really want to, tell her, can you turn the TV down so I can record a little clip? That's the only downfall of having the office in the front room. But hopefully when we move into a bigger house, we'll have a separate office where we can just crack on with work and record no matter the background noise. But anyway, that's the end of day 2. Let's move over to day 3. More painting. And then day 4, hopefully, will be the final day. But I also forgot how annoying sanding filler is. As you saw, it went everywhere. I'll see you tomorrow. Right, so we've got a little segment of driving here. So today I've got to head off to the shops to get some screws and wall filaments, because the funny thing is IKEA doesn't supply it in the shelving or the bracket units, so got to go do that. So that's where we're going now, and then we're going to head home, level up the shelves and make sure they're all equally spaced and all that good stuff, and then get the shelves on the wall, and then hopefully that's it, finally done, and it'll all be finished, and I can show you the end result. Hopefully it'll be today that it gets done and not tomorrow on Saturday, currently Friday, so 3-day project, if you will. Rocking the lab culture as well, got to rock the Jayhawk brand, didn't we? But I'll end the talking bit here because the rest of it will just be B-roll and nice music. So I appreciate everyone that's watched up to this point. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, don't miss any further uploads. We've got a lot coming, a lot of Moser stuff, a lot of other tech products and reviews and all the good stuff. See you all in the next video. Capture, create, captivate. Enjoy the rest of the B-roll.
Yeah.